Hi everyone, my name is Shira Bell. I'm a student in EDM 310 and today I'm going to show you how to use a smartboard. First, we just want to start with how to turn it on. You want to look down here, you're going to see a little orange power button. You want to press it and it should turn green, and in just a moment the board should come on. Okay, so once it comes on, it should come up on this screen that you see now. And then next you just want to work with calibrating it. So you're going to come down here right on the front of this little board and you're going to see two buttons. You want to press them in and hold them. And then you'll get this screen and you want to just follow the little button here. It's kind of like playing a little game, but you're actually calibrating the system. Then once it's calibrated, next you want to go to the Smart Notebook. You want to go up here and double click, and you'll see the Smart Notebook comes up. Alrighty, so once we get the Smart Notebook, we want to work with text. So we can actually do, let's see, you want to go up here and press this arrow, and then you just click on the text. You can drop down the menu here and it's going to say recognize text that you've written out, and it moved it over a little, I guess, so it was kind of large, but that is one way that you can work with text. Or you can delete that by clicking on the same little arrow and you can press delete, or you can go many different ways you can go, but to the keyboard here. Alrighty, and click up here to bring up the text. Let's see, we're just going to type in and that is how you work with text. Let's see here. Just remove that, and that's the one of the two ways that you can work with text. Next, we want to work with objects. So we're just gonna delete this. We're gonna click on it, and then we're just gonna press the X to get rid of that. You want to go up here on the icon, and you want to find your objects button. Let's work with the star, because we're all stars, right? We're gonna click on the star, and then you're just gonna drag it, and you have a star. Okay, so now we're going to get rid of this star here. So we just want to, let's tap on this and delete it. Let's delete that one as well. Alrighty, so next I'm going to show you how to use objects to hide and reveal feedback through object animation. So let's just write something here that we want to conceal first. So let's do this. Let's write the number 5. Alrighty, so we want to select an object that we can use to hide this number 5. So you're going to go here. Let's do a pentagon. It has 5 sides. I'm going to select the object, and we want to fill it in, because it's not going to be filled. They can actually see what's behind it. If you're teaching a class, you don't want them to see it. So we're going to fill it in, let's say, with the color yellow. Let's fill it in with yellow. We're going to click here. And then we're going to, it's not quite filled in. Let's just fill it in. And given the fact that you're going to do all of this before the class, that's fine. Let's select yellow. Let's close that up, and then it should, let's go here, the paint, pour it in, we'll fill it in yellow, and go here and we'll fill it in. Okay, so now you have an object that's filled in, and we're just gonna, let's see, we're gonna get rid of this little second object here that's not needed. Alrighty, so now I want to show you how to reveal feedback. Given that you've done this before class, you can come in and ask the class how many sides does a pentagon have, and they can answer the question that way. So let's show you how to do that. You want to tap the object, and then you're going to go to properties, and it's going to bring up a menu over here, and you want to select object animation, and then it's just going to ask you the type of animation that you want. So let's go here, and let's just say we're going to do fly out. So we go down to fly out, and we want it to go out to the left, and we want it to be at normal speed, and it's going to go out when the object is clicked. So we're just going to go here, and we're going to reveal the answer, and that is object animation. Next, I'm going to show you how to use infinite cloner. So we want to just clone something basically. So we're going to tap this number 5 here, press a little drop down arrow, and it should be a button that says infinite cloner, and it's going to clone. You can just press on the 5 and drag it. You can drag as many as you would like. And that is how you use infinite cloner. Okay, next I'm going to show you how to save items to a separate file. So let's just say I want to save this. Let's say it's really important. I want to go to File. I want to go to Save As. And you want to click on, you want to send it to where you want to save it, which is the desktop. You click on this file name to bring up the keyboard. And we're just going to save it under EDM310. Alright, and it's saved to EDM310. We're going to click Save. And then if we just want to make sure that it's saved to the file to desktop, and click this square down here in the bottom corner, and you'll see we save that file to EDM310 to the desktop. Okay, so next I'm going to show you how to use multimedia objects. So we just want to get rid of this here. We'll just go to a new page. And then we want to go over here in the corner. We want to press this little button that looks like a picture frame. And then you want to go to, it should be closed there, interactive and multimedia. You're going to click on it, and it'll bring up some different things that you can do here. But we're going to use the acoustic guitar. We're just going to slide it over here. Going to tap to get rid of that, and then you should be able to click on the item, and it'll make a noise. And that is how you use the Smartboard